So something we just released is the second version of our Lotus Effect coating. Now this is based off of the work that we've done in our ceramic coating technology, and this puts like a hard pane of glass between the environment and your paint. So Lotus comes from the lotus flower, more commonly known as the lily pad, which is a flower and a plant that sits on the surface of water. And it's developed this incredible hydrophobic coating, which means that it basically repels water absolutely incredibly. One of the great things about our Lotus Effect finish is that it can be applied anywhere. Whether you're outside in direct sunlight, in the shade, in your garage, it doesn't matter. You just spray it on the car, wait about 30 seconds, then come in with a clean, dry microfiber towel and wipe it off. This is going to provide you with long-lasting protection against the elements, salt, grit and grime off the road, UV rays, and it's also going to provide a hydrophobic coating, meaning it's going to repel water and in fact clean your car when it rains. So it gives you that really strong protection of a ceramic coating, but with a lot less trouble in application, and it gives you more protection than ever before.